Hey, good morning everyone. This is Fast Furious Josh here with my 2020 Toyota Supra. Today we got some more carbon fiber pieces. I don't know if any of you have seen this yet, but this goes and hides the fake rear vents in the Supra. So right here, if you look, they're non-functional. This piece, I'm gonna go right here. Boom, just for a little bit of touches. We'll install these, then we have carbon fiber door panels. So let's get to work. All right, just want to shout out to 8080 on this sweet Supra t-shirt. We have a cleaner wipe right here. I'm just going to clean outside of this area for installment. I'm going to take off these little sticker for the 3M tape and then just boop, that's it. Alright, we have one side installed. Nice fitment, looks good. Fits the body line, fits the gap, fits the hole. We're not going to make it functional and put something in it. Now, time to do the other side. As you can see, the piece is real carbon. That's 80/80. And do it on this side. I keep one side for quotes. Next upgrade would be carbon fiber lips. If you saw my Maxton online. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so we have the door panel. This is how this gets installed. Right here, if you look at the door, I already installed these. This right here. Nice. It's gonna go right here. Like so, and just slide up under here. Wow, talk about beautiful. Excited for this. Now, as you can see, full carbon. Got to remove the 3M tape. Wow, the fitment, just amazing. Looks so much better than just the stock matte black. Wow. Look at that. Goes very nice with all the others. It's a big piece of carbon, baby. Like a black little sniggy. Alright, we did the passenger side. Here's the driver's side. So as you can see, it's just a flat black, and it's just gonna pop right here and right there. It's gonna look something like that. Right. Here's the carbon fiber mirrors, wind deflectors, and now when you get inside the Supra, bam! Look at that. Wow. That just looks so nice. That's it.